All right, so today I'm going to be introducing two separate groups of chickens to each other, so this should be pretty interesting. Hoping things go well and they don't kill each other. This one next. Here they all come. First group's out, stepping all over that egg. Second group is still hesitant about coming out, so I'm probably going to start throwing some feed out. Here's the second group. I'm going to try and coerce them out. Let's go, girls. Crazy to believe it, but some of my original chickens out there, the small ones, are actually showing off some dominance. You trying to put me in the pecking order? Don't be pecking my shoe. I'll peck you back, little one. Here they go. Trying to assert some dominance. Finding out who's who, who's the boss in the pecking order. Gonna be a lot of those fights for a minute as they figure out who belongs where. It seems to be the small one that's really getting into it. Woo, girl. We call her Pickles. Get 'em, Pickles. Show 'em your boss. Sure you ain't no punk. Man, look at Pickles go. These guys are ruthless though. Look at them. Okay, enough. Enough. Y'all can fight later when I'm not here. Pickles, enough. Enough. My gosh. Girls, figure things out. Immediately. Pickles, you're the biggest bully here. Stop picking on everyone. We got other one over there, Brownie, and she's just chilling, doing her thing. She's part of the barnyard batch, or the barnyard mix. Pickles, scrapping everyone. We got, where are you, barnyard? And then the other barnyard mix right there, so. We got three of them who aren't regular Rhode Island Reds. Oh, I'm sorry. What are they? I don't even know what they are. Pickles again. Pickles. Stop, girl. You guys are going to kill each other. Enough. Enough. You. Especially you. You're the big one in the group. It's your fault. This is why everybody's fighting you. This is why everyone's fighting you. Oh my gosh, stop. Ugh.
A few moments later.
So I'm out here just double checking on my chickens to see how they're doing, because they were fighting like crazy earlier. So I'm hoping they're just acclimated. Hello, chickies. Is everyone behaving? Where's the other group? Only the old ones are out. They're all in there. They are in there. I see you too, troublemakers. Well, with that information, let's go check on the inside. I did clean it up a little bit. Let's get in there. Oh, there they are. There's the new flock. They're comfy, cozy. There's some more of the new ones. Hello, new ones. Hello, new chickies. Hi. I know, I freak you out. I know. I'm creepy big brown guy here. Yeah. Tell me about it. You're okay. You're okay. I just don't want to be pecked by you. There you go. There you go. Hi. Hi. But, I mean, looks like things are going well. They're acclimating. There hasn't been a lot more fights compared to this morning. One thing that I do know is that when chickens are introduced into a new flock, you gotta like give them a week, make sure that none of them, the new batch aren't sick and they're going to kill off your original flock. But with the price of eggs right now, I think at Costco today I saw for just a regular batch of eggs, it was like $8. So having our own chickens that lay eggs, and they lay about a dozen a day right now, like 12 to 15 eggs a day. And that's not including the new batch of chickens that just came in. So our new group of chickens that we've just added to our flock, they will all produce eggs as well. And so we're probably going to be looking at a little over 2 dozen eggs a day in eggs. So super excited about that. And leave me a comment if you want to know more about chickens, and we'll chat on the next video. Thanks. Mahalo and aloha. Chihi.